Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy pumpkin cheesecake roll. The thing that makes this easy is the filling is baked with the cake, so when it comes out of the oven you can just roll it up once. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Line the bottom and sides of a half sheet pan with aluminum foil. Grease it well. And set it aside for now. Then to make the filling, in a medium bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and sugar, and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then add in the egg, milk, and vanilla extract, and mix them in until they're combined. And mix it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Pour the filling into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. And set it aside for now. To make the pumpkin cake, first in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and cloves. Whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then into a large bowl, add in the eggs that are at room temperature. Beat them with an electric mixer until they're well beaten and smooth. Then gradually add in the sugar while beating. Once all the sugar is added, beat it on high speed for another 2 minutes until they become lighter and thicker. Then add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. And mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the dry ingredients. And mix them in by hand until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. Very slowly pour the batter all over the top of the filling in the pan to keep the layers separate. Spread it out until it's even. And bake it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven. Dust the top really well with powdered sugar. Line the back of another sheet pan with parchment paper and place it on top of the cake. Use hot pads to handle it and flip the whole thing over. Remove the pan and peel off the aluminum foil. Then roll up the cake using the parchment paper as your guide. Then leave it to cool completely, and for best results, chill it in the fridge for a couple hours before serving it. Transfer the cake roll to your serving plate and dust it with powdered sugar, and I like dusting the plate as well. Then slice it up and serve. And that's how to make an easy pumpkin cheesecake roll. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.